Hey everyone! Have you ever just looked in the mirror and thought, okay, is there actually a truly natural alternative to Botox? Like something that could smooth out those fine lines, tighten things up, and give you that really gorgeous youthful glow without the super intimidating, expensive needles? Well, I am so incredibly excited you're joining me for this explainer today because, no joke, what if I told you that one of the absolute most powerful anti-aging secrets out there is literally sitting right inside your kitchen pantry? Today, we are unpacking the exact age-defying skincare habits that beauty experts and skincare lovers are totally obsessing over right now.
Okay, let's dive into this. Right now, there is this massive viral trend blowing up online about natural Botox. And I know exactly what you might be thinking. You're probably like, is this just another fake internet hack? I promise you it's not. The beauty of what we're looking at today is that these natural ingredients and methods are completely backed by science. They actively support your collagen production, they improve skin elasticity, and they naturally help reduce wrinkles. We're strictly focusing on realistic, science-supported methods that genuinely make a visible difference. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why millions of people are making the switch to these alternatives right now. On one hand, you've got traditional cosmetic treatments. And yeah, they offer immediate surgical-level results by physically freezing your muscles. But man, they are incredibly expensive, they wear off, and for a lot of people, the whole idea of getting injections is just totally terrifying. Then, on the flip side, look at natural habits. They are incredibly budget-friendly, you don't have to deal with any harsh chemicals whatsoever, and they actually prioritize your long-term health. Natural skincare methods just feel safer, so much cheaper, and way easier to sustain over your entire lifetime. So, before you go and spend hundreds or literally thousands of dollars on professional treatments, we are going to break down 3 super easy, totally accessible morning habits. These are absolute game changers for anyone who's just starting their preventative skincare journey. You don't need a medical degree or some massive budget to get started. You just need a little bit of dedication to your skin's health. Habit 1, rice water mist. So this is the centuries-old Asian beauty secret everyone is whispering about, and you probably have a bag of it in your kitchen right now. To get why it works so well, we gotta look at the science. Rice water is absolutely loaded with amino acids. Think of these natural compounds as the vital building blocks for your skin. They support texture improvement and help maintain that beautiful, bouncy elasticity we all want. By putting these natural building blocks directly onto your face, you're feeding your skin exactly what it needs to stay smooth and firm. What's really interesting about this slide is the sheer amount of benefits packed into this one basic ingredient. Rice water is just bursting with antioxidants, minerals, and vitamin B compounds. Studies actually suggest that using this consistently can actively brighten your skin tone and really calm down any irritation. Plus, the combination of all these minerals can give your skin this beautiful temporary tightened appearance. It's basically nature's way of giving you a firmed up, radiant glow. All right, so how do we actually make it? Step 1, just rinse out half a cup of uncooked rice. Step 2, add some fresh water and let it soak for about 30 minutes. Step 3, strain that gorgeous, nutrient-rich water into a clean container, like a cute little spray bottle. Honestly, it is that foolproof. For a really great weekly routine, try using it as a daily morning face mist, and then alternate by freezing some into ice cubes twice a week for a super deep, cooling facial treatment. Habit 2. The collagen diet. While what we put on our skin is definitely important, the real battle against aging always happens from the inside out. We have to talk about collagen. This is the vital protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth. But here's the major reality check. After you hit your mid-20s, your body's natural production of it really declines, and that's what causes those fine lines and the sagging. So building habits to maintain your skin elasticity early on is absolutely essential. But luckily, we can support this process deliciously. Think of this as your new ageless grocery list. First up, bone broth. It is totally packed with collagen proteins and amino acids. Next, egg whites, which have a specific compound called proline that your skin loves. Citrus fruits are an absolute must because your body literally needs vitamin C to produce collagen. Salmon brings in those amazing omega-3 fatty acids, and avocados are just loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants. Eating these foods naturally supports that youthful look from the inside out. Oh, and please don't forget to drink plenty of water. Dehydrated skin always ages way faster. Habit 3, facial massage. Okay, this is a massive trend exploding online right now, and for good reason. We all completely unknowingly clench our facial muscles every single day, especially around our forehead, our jaw, and our eyes. And carrying all that tension can actually make your wrinkles look significantly deeper. Doing a facial massage is a brilliant way to release all of that. It improves your blood circulation, it dramatically reduces that horrible morning puffiness, and it creates this really gorgeous temporary lifting effect. To really get the absolute most out of your facial massage, you can boost it with some incredibly affordable tools. You've probably seen people online using a gua sha stone, doing ice rolling, or practicing lymphatic drainage. I highly, highly suggest using one of these tools in tandem with your DIY rice water mist. You just spritz the rice water on, grab your gua sha, and gently massage your face. It maximizes those depuffing and lifting effects so beautifully. Avoid these aging mistakes.
So the crucial point is you can eat all the gorgeous salmon and spray all the rice water in the world, but it honestly won't matter if you are actively sabotaging your skin. The top offenders include skipping your daily sunscreen, getting terrible sleep, eating way too much sugar, smoking, drinking, and overusing really harsh skincare products. Sometimes keeping it incredibly simple is truly what works best to protect your skin barrier.
I literally cannot emphasize this point enough. Sunscreen is your absolute primary defense against aging. UV exposure is responsible for the vast majority of visible skin aging. This is a 100% non-negotiable step in your routine. And yes, you have to wear it even on cloudy days. Those UV rays are still blasting right through the clouds and breaking down all that precious collagen we just talked about building up. And speaking of breaking down collagen, let's quickly demystify a slightly complex skincare term you should definitely know. Glycation. Basically, glycation is this biological process where all that excess sugar in your bloodstream actually attaches to and damages your collagen proteins. So yeah, having a heavy sweet tooth isn't just a dietary thing, it is actively aging your skin and leading to more wrinkles over time. Cutting back on processed sugar is hands down one of the best natural Botox decisions you're ever going to make. Reality check and routine. As we bring this explainer to a close, we definitely need to manage our expectations. Natural methods are incredible. They prioritize your long-term health, they massively improve your skin quality, and they safely build your confidence. But let's be real, they cannot perfectly replicate the dramatic frozen muscle results of cosmetic injections. It's really all about achieving smoother, healthier skin naturally, which for a lot of people is the much better long-term goal anyway. So how do we put the whole shebang together? Here is a super clean, aesthetic summary of a daily morning routine that is budget-friendly, incredibly effective, and puts your long-term health first. You wake up, spritz on your DIY rice water mist for those amazing amino acids. Follow it up with a gentle gua sha facial massage to relieve the tension and depuff. And finally, lock it all in with your daily SPF to protect that beautiful face from UV damage. Super simple, right? But I want you to really absorb this quote from our research. Natural remedies take consistency. You won't wake up looking 20 years younger overnight. It is a marathon, not a sprint, guys. To really see the magic, I highly recommend taking a quick selfie every single morning for 30 days so you can actually track your skin's changes. Seeing those subtle improvements in your hydration and your glow over a month is so incredibly powerful. I really want to hear from all of you focused learners out there. Now that you know the science and the methods behind it all, what do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know, are you team natural or team injections? And while you're at it, please share your absolute favorite budget-friendly skin hack with the community. Let's keep this conversation going. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. Stay consistent with those routines, and I will see you next time.